Plan to perform. Flexitron treatment delivery with oncentra brachy planning. Elekta's groundbreaking brachytherapy solutions are based upon 40 years of brachytherapy expertise and are used in more than 1,800 clinics worldwide today. Elekta offers integrated solutions that when used together perform even better than on their own. Today, we will show you how you can get the most out of your flexitron afterloading platform when you use the latest version of oncentra brachy treatment planning. When oncentra treatment planning version 4.5 is used in combination with the new flexitron afterloading platform, you will optimally benefit from a number of smart features that allow for an easy, standardized way of treatment planning while feeling confident about accurate and safe treatment delivery. The key to creating a great treatment plan and consequently designing the optimal dose distribution is to work as accurately as possible. The imaging and the data set have to meet clinical reality as closely as possible. Reducing the chance of making mistakes is very important. Common mistakes include typing mistakes, errors during the calculation of the indexer length, incomplete reconstruction of the catheter, the marker is set too short, or the tip of the catheter is not visible in the image dataset. These mistakes have a direct impact on the dose distribution, as these illustrations clarify. The dose distribution doesn't cover the target area accurately and is no longer conformal. By adding oncentra brachy planning to flexitron delivery, you are making sure that the treatment planning and the treatment delivery system are speaking the same language. You will benefit from constant settings, such as a fixed step size and transfer tubes with a fixed length, 1,000 millimeters. The forward stepping source boosts your confidence about treatment accuracy, 0.5 millimeters. For flexible catheters, dedicated CT markers help you reconstruct and measure the source path length during the planning process. The friendly user interface helps you save time. Let's find out how this works in practice. Flexitron treatment delivery with oncentra brachy planning can be used for many brachytherapy applications, such as for breast, prostate, and gynecological cancers. Today, we'll look at a cancer patient with an oropharyngeal carcinoma. Brachytherapy was chosen to treat the tongue base, where it is important to deliver a high radiation dose to the cancerous site while sparing surrounding healthy tissue. In this case, the salivary glands. For brachytherapy in the head or neck area, Elekta offers flexible implant catheters. The flexible catheter features radio-opaque buttons with different colors and sizes for optimal visibility in scanning devices, such as a CT scanner. The CT markers are placed in the flexible catheters of the brachytherapy implant, and a CT scan is made. The CT markers facilitate the planning and reconstruction process substantially. Now let's get back to the CT scan. The CT images are imported in the treatment planning software of oncentra brachy, showing the cancerous site and surrounding organs and tissue. The planning process starts. In oncentra brachy, contouring can be done in arbitrary planes, building a virtual 3D image. The dedicated CT markers help you reconstruct and measure the source path length of the flexible catheters during the planning process. Did you know that oncentra brachy can fuse CT images with MRI images? Oncentra brachy can also create a treatment plan based on just MRI images. We'll now show you the process again, step by step. Reconstruct the catheters within the treatment or target area. Select the end point of the CT marker, which can be at any point in the reconstructed catheter. There's no need to fill in the indexer length and offset. Use the point as a marker with a defined distance. Enter the distance from the connector end of the catheter. This is the marker to 0-point distance. Now you can plan your dose distribution. Oncentra brachy helps you to plan efficiently because you only have to reconstruct where needed. Flexitron's constant settings, such as a fixed step size and metric, ascending dwell position numbering, contribute to creating an accurate treatment plan. The treatment plan is ready and is sent to the Flexitron delivery platform. The friendly flexitron user interface, developed with leading clinicians around the world, ensures smooth navigation and helps you save time. Visual tabs guide you through the treatment delivery workflow comfortably. To ensure optimal safety, Flexitron offers the extra check cable run to detect any possible obstructions or malfunctions. The transfer tubes are attached to the flexible catheters. Because all transfer tubes have a fixed length, 1,000 millimeters, the reference length will always be the same. This way, errors can be prevented. The treatment will now begin. The source travels in a forward-stepping mode and dwells where it needs to ensure the dose delivery goes according to plan. The forward-stepping source boosts your confidence about treatment delivery accuracy. Treatment delivery is as accurate as 0.5 millimeters. The treatment delivery is now complete. The clinical team has performed another accurate, reproducible, and safe treatment delivery. For each fraction of the brachytherapy treatment, this delivery process will be repeated. The brachytherapy fraction is now complete, and the patient will return over the next few days to receive the next fraction, depending on his treatment plan. Flexitron treatment delivery with oncentra brachy planning. Plan to perform.